Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at what happens when you are browsing Amazon and you get hit with a dose of nostalgia. And what I'm talking about is the Dritz folding scissors. And these were the scissors that actually caused me to have the bout of nostalgia. And these scissors were just kind of suggested by Amazon, and sometimes moments of weakness happen. Now, both of these are quite inexpensive. They're under $5 each. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to take a look at these, because I remember these little folding scissors from when I was little, and I wanted to take a look at them again. So let's take a look at the Dritz. These are folding. I think these are like, they call them sewing scissors or something like that. Let's see. To fit into a bag or pocket without causing damage, blah, 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 sharp points. Okay. So, these are the scissors. Alright. First of all, these are not quite as amazing as I remember them being as a kid. The handles are, these part right here are plastic, which I was kind of hoping it would not be plastic. Let's take a piece of paper and see if we can do some damage to it. Alright. That's okay. I don't know. These seem relatively cheap and crappy. Like, even more so than you would expect for something that cost you $4 on Amazon. I am not liking these at all. Alright, so, pretty simple with this one. Don't waste your $4. Because, Alright, let's see if this is better. Alright, to fit in a bag or a pocket without causing thread string through hole and handle to hang around neck. I've never heard of anyone carrying neck scissors. To unfold scissors, grasp both handles, pull down. Okay. It's good to have instructions for working a pair of scissors. You know, with all the crap I'm talking, I'm probably going to mess this up. Alright, so let's see if these are better. Well, first of all, I can tell you right now, they are at least all metal. So let's see. They are not, they're not loose by any stretch of the imagination. And I don't know. Well, these seem like they suck. They seem better than the last ones, but still kind of crappy. Let's see about folding these things back up. Well, at least they fold back up. I feel like that's going to cut off something if you put it in there. Alright, so... Well, this was kind of sad. I was excited about the scissors that were like the ones when I was a little kid. Made in China, made in China. Alright. Well. This makes me kind of sad. I'm going to include a link in the description if you want to look at these. I really don't recommend buying them, though. They just don't feel... Okay. They were literally like $4 each or something, and I feel like I did not spend my $4 well. And if you've watched some of my videos, you've seen what I've spent money on, so you know that I've made choices. And these just don't even, I don't know, they don't seem amazing at all, and so I would not recommend spending your $4 on them. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. You think I just got duds? I kind of don't think so. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video and the death of a little bit of childhood nostalgia. Please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.